So I'm just out in the garage right now, and here's the 99 KX80. Plastic's a little beat up, but I'm going to clean them up a bit. Right now, I'm just waiting on a few parts, just some clamps, a rear axle, and some bolts for this, because they just used some standard like head bolts and just dug in here and ate all the aluminum up. I have videos of doing pretty much the whole engine build and hooking everything up. I just have to edit them to upload them. So this is gonna be raw upload, no edit or anything to it. So the whole motor was rebuilt, top end, bottom end, all new bearings. Everything's been gone over. The carb's been rebuilt, jetted. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's got a lot of new parts. Just need to throw the air box, the pipe, and the rear wheel on, and we'll be good to go. Minus, we don't have any front brakes because something's up with this janky lever setup. So I have some new levers coming and new adjuster rod here for the front master cylinder. So I'm gonna get that brakes system figured out, and then I'll make another upload from there. So another thing I'm working on over here is this is a TTR225 engine. The head is used from eBay because the head I had, they had actually broken off this little piece off the camshaft that holds the gear in place, and they spun the gear off and destroyed the top end. So I did order this off eBay, off a running bike, cleaned it up a bit, put some dowels in it. I'm actually just waiting on one dowel pin and I think a gasket for it. Got the rest of the parts down here. I rebuilt the carb. I have OEM top end kit for it. So I'll be getting this back together hopefully within the next 2 weeks. So over here is the bike. Not too bad. I think it's a 2000. I just threw some spare pro taper bars on it. And yeah, it's kind of beat. But I got it for $175. So I can't really beat that. I figured out the whole electrical system over here because I was having a problem with this. The bike wouldn't crank over. It actually just ended up being whoever did the wiring on it, they just didn't hook the solenoid up correctly. So I took everything apart and hooked it up, put a battery, tested it, cranked right over. I also just twisted the clutch safety switch wires together because, yeah, there's no switch. So these are twisted together, so they just get jumped pretty much. And you'll never need to use a clutch safety switch again on this bike. So